like to compare classical education to climbing a mountain. It is an arduous journey, but one that is exciting and exhilarating. As we climb upward, we see the landscape below with so much clarity, and we really are reaching closer to God as we begin to see our human condition with an elevated vision. Is not a race. You can extend a hand down to someone who is struggling below you, and you can reach a hand up to someone who is ahead of you who can help you up that climb. Every child should have the opportunity to participate in this education, to learn about things that are good and true and beautiful. Keep working and keep climbing up the mountain, and you will achieve remarkable results in your school.